I mean, you know, it won't take you long to do top part.
To get the roof on out, isn't it?
Yeah. Glennon, they went down from Horwood, got the part of the roof done.
Yeah, I talked to the neighbour, said the roof was done. They're gone. Oh, he said, I thought he said he was done.
Oh, perhaps he's finished. I know they've been down.
Saturday, was it? I can't
They've been down 2 or 3 times. Well, it is bad weather. They can't no good,
no.
right? They've been down 2 or 3 times. I knew he had in for it, and then one day Jeff come home. They said yes, they got it. They was down. And Glenn, which is Roxanne's cousin, right?
Oh yeah.
Jeff Nurse went away Thursday.
I guess because you touch it more, you're more in tune with it. Like I like hands-on work, and I use mostly recycled material. So how was school today, Sarah? Nan has sent up homemade bread. Is it still warm? So there's a lot of different stuff. When you look at the quilt later, like I have quilts that my mother made, and I can look at them and say, oh, I remember that shirt. So it speaks to you. Say, or I say, we always turn into our parents. And with time, I certainly am.
Well, my grandmother used to make quilts and give to me. I loved getting them, but just never had no interest in, I guess, at the time. Just decided one day, I suppose, try it. When I started, well, I went up and got her to help. And after that, I just bought some magazines and followed the instructions. Nan never needed a special occasion to give you a quilt or anything else. She was always sewing or knitting, and she's done a bit of crocheting too, but she used to make graduation dresses and wedding dresses and bridesmaid dresses. She's done a lot of sewing over the years.
Me, I'd rather sew than eat. That is true. I'd rather have a sewing machine than I'd have a dishwasher. No, you don't talk about men. Day for men is gone for us. We're all widow women, you know. We've only got one woman up there with a husband. And she ain't gonna share her man with us. I prefer to see a quilt on the bed, not on the wall, because that's where it belongs.